Hey guys, here I am working late into the night to try to turn your regular English Comp 2 into an online version of English Comp 2. If you read my announcement, you know that the modules section of the course will be divided into weekly sections. So when we come back, we'll be jumping right over week 11 and moving straight into week 12. So I want to show you where you can find all of the necessary information. So go ahead and open up your Canvas dashboard and click on your English Comp 2 course shell. All right. Once you get there, you're going to click on Modules in the left-hand menu. It's all right, baby. That's my dog. Sorry about that. And at the very top of the page, you will see the Week 12 module. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see quite a few things in this module. It's been broken up into 4 sections. So we had about 6 to 8 short stories left, and I cut that down to 4. So some of the things that you'll find in this module are the full text versions of those short stories, as well as audio versions of each and every one. All of the reading logs will be in this module, every single assignment, every single handout. So you will not be required to navigate between multiple modules. If you follow each module, right, step by step, then you should have everything you need and avoid missing anything. Notice that it says Week 12 overview, read this first. So we're going to click on that and read that first. So it's a little hard to see here, but it says this week we will be completing our short story unit. I've chosen 4 short stories from our original list of 8. Any one of these stories would make an excellent topic for your research paper. So as you complete the following assignments, be thinking about which one you'd like to learn more about. PDF and audio versions of each story have been posted below. So we had to take a little break because the puppy would not let me do my work. This is Ginny, and I guess she's going to be working with us today. So as I was reading, all audio versions and PDFs of the stories have been posted below, and you should begin by reading and or listening to the Cask of Amontillado, and then complete each assignment in the order that it appears. Okay. So then once you've read the overview, you'll go back to modules and you'll complete everything in order. So step 1, you're going to read the Cask of Amontillado and or listen to it, or I recommend possibly doing both. Then you'll complete reading log 12. You will then listen to this short lesson. All of the video lessons are 15 minutes or less, and that's basically because the program doesn't allow them to be any longer than that. So, and they're all available through, when you click on them, it'll take you to YouTube. Once you have watched the first half of the lesson, you're going to look at the supplemental materials. That's the Edgar Allan Poe articles, Poe and Thomas Dunn English, and then Poe and Rufus Griswold. Then you'll watch the second part of the lesson and complete the post-lesson quiz. Okay? And then you'll move on to step 2. And so basically the idea here is you just follow along each module step by step, and once you've completed each module, you can move on to the next. So if you'll remember from before, I had the course separated into supplemental readings module, reading logs module. I've gotten rid of all that, and now it's just organized by week. So if you complete week 12, you will have done everything that you need to do for week 12. You'll notice that everything is due at the end of this week. That is Sunday, April 5th at 11:59 p.m. But you do have this time, this extra week of spring break, and I highly recommend that you use this time to your advantage. A lot of your instructors are going to need this next week to move your courses online. Luckily, all of my information must be dinner time. All of my information is already online, so our transition will be relatively quick. So take advantage of this extra time, get as much work done as you can. After all, we can't really travel or go to clubs or anything like that. So what else are you going to do? I will post another announcement next week once I have completed restructuring our course. So be on the lookout for that. All right. I hope to see y'all soon. Bye.